Welcome to Dab for Do. Hello friends, hope everyone is doing good. Diwali is fast approaching and we all would love to decorate our home. So this Diwali, though we are not able to meet friends due to this COVID situation, we can definitely decorate our home with beautiful Diyas and Rangolis. So as a part of the decoration, I will show you how I did this Diya holding a lady's Rangoli. So I hope you watch and enjoy. So enjoy the making. I made a rough sketch of the image. If possible, I'll try to link the PDF in the description. You can refer to it. And I started filling the colors. So I would suggest you to use the contrast and bright colors so that it will get highlighted. When we are making figures like this, it's always better to use a little lighter or darker shade to highlight the Rangoli. So I have mixed little dark color in the skin color to give the texture and shading. And for the dress also, if you observe, I gave a darker green outline that will highlight the work. If you have any excess, either you can use a small brush or a piece of sponge and wipe off excess as you do, as I've shown in the video. You can use small tools for highlighting, as I did for the neckline and for making of the jewelry also, if you observe. And clean the excess as you do, so that it won't be hard for you to clean after the complete figure is colored. Highlight with thin and sharp edges, add jewelry if possible. You can use gold color mixed with yellow also, that will also highlight. If you have glitter, you can use that to highlight the jewelry portion. I kept it simple with the plain colors. So now I will enhance the figure with the features of eyes, eyebrows, and just a small tint of lips, earrings. I've added the bangles to match the figure and finally made the Diya. You can use this image for other occasion as well. Instead of Diya, you can keep flowers in the hands and so on. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Wish you a happy and safe Diwali. Namaste.